What's up, guys? This is Masada. I got an idea for a collab. Anybody can use this. All right, anybody's in on this. So I have this sample I made. The tempo is 68.52. The key is D minor. You can use this. You can chop it. You can put drums to it. You can rap to it. Whatever. Anybody will have access to this file. The file will be in a WeTransfer. I can download it. Do whatever. All I ask is whatever you make, you just include me in the name. Like, so say it'd be DJ Skills, you know what I mean, and Masada, or Beast by Lanze and Masada, or whatever else like that. And we can probably just make a series of these type of songs, and we can take possibly the best ones and then put them on an album, you know what I mean, that we just give out to the world. All right, so here's the sample. Let y'all hear it. Yo, support your boy. Go to thecyclekit.com. I love and respect all of you. Thank you very much for all the support.